Yeah. Night air, stars out, city moving slow. Smoke in the cabin while the whole sky glow. Brothers by my side and the world feel wide. Like the truth been there, I just never looked inside. Windows crack open, let the cold drift in. Mushrooms had me seeing where the dark light been. Not in a lost way, more like I found my soul. Like God touched the wheel and said you already know. Life get deep when you get still enough. Love hit hard when you finally feel enough. I seen pain turn holy in the right kind of night. I seen friends turn brothers when the energy right. I seen family different when the heart opens up. Now I hold them all closer cause I know what is love. Higher than before, but my soul more grounded. Minding in the stars, but my feet still planted. Higher than before, I can feel the shift. God in the silence, universe in this. Yeah, I've been through long days, hands worn from the work. Cold barrage floors, still finding my worth. Now I sit back, let the night run deep, and I think about the life that is watching through me. Daughter at home, so my love hits stronger. Every time I grow, I just hold her longer. Fiancé in my heart, family in my chest, and all this pressure made me understand what is blessed. We were smoking and laughing, but it opened the door to the kind of truth I never really touched before. Not the fake loud talk, not the ego and flex, just the simple kind of peace when your spirit connect. I think the Lord talk low in the dark like this. I think the universe answer hearts like this. Higher than before, but my soul more grounded. Mind in the stars, but my feet still planted. Feel the shift, God in the silence, universe in this. Yeah, every scar got meaning when you see it from above. Every hard night shaped how I give my love. Every road I took had a reason and end. Now I move through life like it all wants to begin. Always wanting more, but not just money and shine. I wanted understanding, peace, truth in my mind. A foreign in the driveway, sure that is a dream, but what good is that if your soul ain't clean? So I ride through the dark and I breathe what is real. High frequency thoughts when my hands on the wheel, and the stars look close when your heart get clear. Like the whole damn universe been waiting right here. Higher than before, but my soul more grounded. Mind in the stars, but my feet still planted. Higher than before, I can feel the shift. God in the silence, universe in this. Open my mind, changed how I see life. More love in me, more light in me, yeah. Brothers in the night and the truth feel near. Family mean more every single year. And if you ever felt the world crack open wide, then you know that peace when the fear step aside. I do not need noise, I just need that glow. God in my chest and the stars in the road. Everything deeper when you really let go. And the more I love, like the more the whole thing shows.